Understanding short bow strokes in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might encounter in the world of music: short bow strokes. This expression is not just about playing an instrument. It's a beautiful example of how specific terms can enhance our understanding of detailed actions. Whether you're a music enthusiast or just love enriching your English vocabulary, this video will shed light on what short bow strokes mean and where you might encounter this phrase. Let's get started. Short bow strokes are a technique used by stringed instrument players, like violinists or cellists. This technique involves moving the bow over the strings in a quick, short manner. The key components here are short. This refers to the length of the movement. Unlike long, sweeping strokes, these are quick and concise. Bow. The bow is a crucial tool for stringed instruments, used to produce sound by drawing it across the strings. Strokes. This term describes the action or motion of the bow as it makes contact with the strings. Understanding these components helps learners grasp the precise nature of the action being described. Short bow strokes are essential for certain musical expressions and techniques. They allow musicians to play staccato notes, notes that are short and detached from each other, creating a sharp, distinct sound. Dynamic control. Short strokes can help in controlling the volume and intensity of the music, allowing for a wide range of expressions. Rhythmic patterns. They are crucial for playing complex rhythms that require quick, precise movements. By mastering short bow strokes, musicians can add texture and nuance to their performances, making the music more expressive and engaging. Interestingly, short bow strokes can also be seen as a metaphor in English. It might be used to describe taking small, deliberate actions in life or work. Just as in music, where short bow strokes can create a specific effect or emotion, in life, small and focused efforts can lead to significant achievements. This dual meaning enriches the phrase, making it a wonderful example of how language and culture intertwine. I hope this video has not only expanded your vocabulary but also given you a deeper appreciation for the precision and beauty of musical techniques. Short bow strokes are a testament to the intricacy of musical expression and the power of language to capture these nuances. Whether you're discussing music or looking for the perfect metaphor, remembering the importance of small, deliberate actions can make all the difference. Thank you for watching. And may your learning journey be as enriching and nuanced as a beautifully played piece of music.